unofficial line regulator. Do not cross.
Run up and throw it here, and then you continue. Yeah, that's good. On me to the boat. Yeah.
Ew. Oh. Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off to golf we go. I'm bringing my Disney sweater. Ooh, I remember that from another video. Onward! Choo-choo! I got a pink bubblegum ball. I want to eat it. Scary. I feel like I'm at Disney. Seated at all times. You're gonna get kicked out of here. Seated now. Do you feel like you're on a Disney cart? Good high gear. Up the hill. We're having a meeting back there. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Coming around the mountain. Do they know that you're doing a video? Kind of remember this. Bumpy. Oh, there's a gold course, and a diamond course. And a diamond course. Which one are we doing? Oh, bad one.
Did I end up by you?
Because, yeah, you did a great job.
A little farther.
Well,
Holy!
who did that?
Donna?
She thought I'm gonna whack this thing.
Well, she used it when she did. Whoa. That one down there? They all go down there. Oh, no. He just didn't make it in. Okay, all right. Gotcha. We don't know which one's the good one. Okay. You think I'm going to hit you in this string?
She's like, nope, I'm gonna go somewhere completely different.
Try for that, but I
Yeah,
don't
what
think
do you
it's
got to
going to
lose?
happen. If you have nothing to lose, exactly. It's going to go.
Except it could happen what happened to me and
There you go. Good
Stop.
going.
Wow.
Oh, so close. So close to go to that.
Right.
Don't anybody go for that hole. You'll lock him in.
Get that green one out of there. That's in the way.
So dainty. Oh, that was cute. Come on, go, go, go.
Yeah, come in here.
Well, oh, sorry.
Almost hit me.
Somebody will hit my ball.
Where's my ball?
Can anybody see her ball?
What color
is
it?
It's in my pocket.
Oh my gosh. I'm like, which color is it? Keep a hold of your balls.
No, don't hit
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, Jesus.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Are you still recording during that?
Oh my god. It's the allergies.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey-o.
It almost went out.
Dang.
Oh, man, I thought you had it out, honey.
Wow! So close.
And she misses. Holy moly. Whoa. Look.
Taking your photo.
What? Oh, I got you. I got you.
Oh. Carolina seafood and steaks. First time trying this place out.
I'm very
Hope it's good.
Looks like a church.
It looks like a church. Like a church down in Mexico.
Help.
Fancy salad. And like a cucumber holder.
I do. I don't eat the potato. Whoa, there's a knife. See, here's a knife.
Yeah, that it is.
Holy crap.
Wow, that's a big salad.
Anybody need it? I don't need mine.
Clean plate.
Oh my god.
May she have this plate?
Look at this.
There you go.
I know what you want, Mike.
My cheesecake.
I
Cheesecake.
didn't forget you.
And they got some of that
Wow. That looks pretty
out. Here we are. Let me do one like this.
Oh, look at that. They're like riding the red carpet.
I was like, where do we start? I'm just gonna throw everything in my separate bags because we have to be completely packed before we go to bed. And it's already like 10 o'clock. And we need to go to bed in like an hour. How am I supposed to pack all of this in an hour? In bed in an hour? Well, because we gotta get up in the morning. Wait, what time is it? To leave. I think it's almost 10, right? 9:52. Yeah. Eh. What time do I have to get up tomorrow? Oh no, they're losing their game. Oh no. But they were just winning when we left the restaurant. Oh no. Oh gosh, we got a lot of crap. Looks like we lived here for a month. Well, just woke up. Got my coffee. I'm gonna pack everything up, start heading home. It's been grand, Myrtle Beach. Real grand. Want me to help?
Yeah, can you pick up that end?
I'm helping with my Edward Scissorhands.
Boy.
Don't talk about the water right now. Going down. Choo choo.
There's not room for all this stuff. There won't be room for people.
There's gotta be. This is the same amount of stuff that we brought down here.
No,
I
we
bet
don't.
the people who live across the street and have a really good show every week when everybody's trying to move out of here and then later They're like, look at those fools trying to back their car.
Go over there.
How am I supposed to get this with my Edward Scissorhands? Keep the door open. Well, we have room for all of us in the elevator.
gosh.
The elevator's not the problem. The car is the problem.
Okay. Ground. Getting hot. Why am I wearing a sweater?
What the hell is
I
in
don't
here?
know. Are you going to
Let me see
Alaska?
it. I think that's Diana's big pool float. You know?
Oh,
And our little
Flamingo?
curtains.
Yeah.
Ooh, I need some air in here.
This stuff will fit.
they need an air conditioner.
We brought less stuff than last year.
That's hard to believe.
I don't have any makeup on. I didn't brush my hair. I brushed my teeth. Uh-oh. We're leaving
We gotta get that cart.
How?
Get it with your Edward Scissorhands.
Oh my god. Hold on. Just keep the door open.
We got the door open.
Hold on.
You can do it.
I'm walking backwards.
Walking backwards. Usually that's a
I
no-no.
think we got everything out of there.
Yeah.
Ah.
That way.
Oh, we're parked way down there.
Look like you want a massive shopping trip. Supermarket sweep! There's a butt in my seat.
Mom and Dad have a really round butt.
Proportional.
Because every time I need to try to get to something that's beside Mom, she bends over and I have to go around her butt every time. It happened twice this morning.
It did. Halfway point to go back home. Is this a door? Oh, it's a door. Huh. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bed to myself. That's my bed. Anybody out here? Nope. So cozy in here. Sister! Sister! Sister, sister, sister. Sister, is the bathroom nice? Are your hands clean? Oh, I hear Mama. Hello?
How did you know? Oh man! How did you know what was here?
I can hear you a mile away.
So funny.
Oh, where's your bed, Dana?
It's cold in here.
Ooh, what a large counter space.
And they got a nice shower. I'm gonna take a shower.
Oh my god, we're gonna take a shower.
Well, they got shampoo and some gel thing and some lotion.
Where's the shower head? Oh yeah.
Facial soap with.
Battery died. Oh, shower. Yes, 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 yes.
And they have some facial soap with oatmeal and almonds in it. Ooh.
fun in a bathroom. Let's go find our parents' room. Squeaky. Squeaky spring. Are we going that way? I forgot where I was. I've literally only been in this hallway one other time. Ooh. Ice. Oh, is that cold? I would have had my jacket on if I knew it was going to be 2 degrees in here. It's Antarctica. I am warm. Beep, beep. It's hot in this elevator. Yeah. One. Winner. Wow, this place has 5 floors. Lol. Eyeballs.
You can't even see it in the thing.
It's like you got angry eyes. Like, how dare you, fire? Oh no, their beach is dirty. Oh. Whoa. Do you think she saw this sign now? Black bears are seen sometimes. There's a fence in the way though. Never approach them. Oh no, I'm gonna ride that thing. Jump that fence? I mean, they can climb. They probably want the free breakfast. For $1.19? The bears think they can get a free breakfast. Oh, there's the hot tub. No breakfast for you. Oh, hot tub. Hot tub. Knock, knock, knock. We're here. We're here. It's cold in here. Wow, you guys got a big bed. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, you got a view of the pool. Oh, dang.
Surprise, we do.
Baby swimming in the pool.
There's a door here.
You just opened the door.
Oh, wow, a hot tub. What's everybody looking at us for?
They think we're in a zoo.
They're all looking at us.
We're the most entertaining thing they've seen all day. Quit looking at us.
Amanda, every time. Wait, out window, they have
Did you get that thing? Did you get me shutting in their faces? Sure.
You missed it. Amanda, when I came in, I opened up. They're all looking at us. Like maybe this is the only room that overlooks the pool.
I don't know. It's the only entertainment they have. They're like, oh my gosh, people coming out from behind a curtain. What did I win? What did I lose?
Co-owner Steve Colburn made his thoughts heard.
Off we go again. I think I checked the bathroom. Yeah. You checked around the beds. I'm good. I think we have everything. Should I shut this light off? Click. Oh gosh. Ah! And oh. Next place we'll be sleeping is at home in our own beds. Yay! Yay!
And then we'll hit the expressway and head out. Then we can find the place
That
that's...
traffic. That's great. I'm starving and I gotta go sit in a bunch of traffic.
I'm starving. What traffic?
Better fill that bad boy all the way up.
Yeah.
All the way.
Okay, me.
We thought, wow, that's a really dark stall in there. It's not a bathroom. Whoa, where's the toilet? Is it in the box? Will you just go to the restroom? Taking a little pit stop at the Russell Stover Candies. Stopped in Seaverville, I think that's how you say it, Tennessee, to get some gas. So we were on empty. And we had lunch. Now we're gonna check out some chocolates.
Would you like to come through?
Oh, it smells good in here. Look, here's the caramel apples. Oh boy.
They just float all up here. And they weigh it. That's funny. $16.99.
Oh.
Wow.
Crazy.
Oh my god. S'mores. A nut one? Ooh, assorted creams. I like creams. Milk and dark chocolate. Truffles! I love truffles!
You do?
Ooh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, those white chocolate truffles. Shut your face.
Oh, they got little cute ones. Hey, what are you eating? Oh my god, was that a sample? Mom's stealing.
Was that a sample? Did you buy it already?
This is mint. Not bad.
Mint. I thought there was going to be more to that. Mint.
Mint what?
It's good.
There's no school back there. Oh my god, it's Valentine's.
Oh my god, there's another room.
That's crazy.
From other things.
Wait, which one you like?
Does I have a small one with... Here's regular chocolate and dark chocolate. Regular milk chocolate, caramel. I always think that these say scratch and sniff. Like scratch it and sniff.
Smell the chocolate.
But it's just made from scratch.
Big boxes. As big as my arm. What's in here? Oh my god, it's like a warehouse of candy. Valentine's? Oh, crap. Wait, Valentine's. It's June. See Noel stuff. There's Christmas stuff back here. This is just the holiday warehouse. Halloween. If you were just like plopped in this room, how would you know what time of year it is? Here's Easter.
Dad was trying to find the...
Hey, listen.
Oh, oh my god.
Oh my god. Let me smell my chocolate. Oh god. Yes, dear. Oh, this is all milk. Ooh. The back of it. 16 unique flavors. Wait, there's 16 flavors, but they're all milk chocolate. I'm intrigued. What's that? Mint?
Yeah.
Blech. I don't like mint in my chocolate. Get my way, lady.
Sorry.
That's a lot of jelly beans.
A birthday one.
Oh wow! Confetti.
A thank you one. It's just like Jimmy Fallon. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Chocolates for being there.
When no one else is. Thank you for being there and making me feel good on the inside when the rest of the world makes me feel sad.
That was depressing.
Oh, ice cream. Ooh. Double fudge brownie. Mother may I. Are you chilly? Wake up!
It's a whole wall of sugar-free.
Sugar-free wall. All of this.
It's like all the chocolates. They didn't leave any out.
All the same stuff, just sugar-free. Welcome back to Kentucky. It's really bright here and it's really hot. I feel like I'm still at the beach, but there's no water to be found for miles or sand.